everybody, welcome back to Fiber Theory. Today I want to teach you guys how to make a chainless foundation. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is a crochet hook and some yarn. And now you need to make a slip knot and chain 3. After you have your chain 3, yarn over and take your hook through the very first space and pull your yarn through. And now you have 3 loops on your hook. Your next step is to grab your yarn and pull it through the first loop on the hook. Grab your yarn again and pull it through 2 loops at a time, and then grab your yarn and pull it through the last 2 loops. Let's do it again. Yarn over and through this space right up here at the top of this post right here, there's a V. You want to put your hook underneath that V. Make sure you still have a yarn over and put that hook right up underneath that V. Grab your yarn, pull it through for 3 loops. Grab your yarn, pull it through the first loop. Grab your yarn, pull it through the next 2 loops. And grab your yarn and pull it through the next 2 loops. And as you'll see, we have what looks like 3 double crochet posts. You've just made 3 double crochets without a chain. Let's do one more and then I'm going to have you continue on your own. You're going to grab your yarn again, go up underneath that next V right there, that space. Grab your yarn, pull it through for 3 loops. Grab your yarn, pull it through the first loop. Grab your yarn, pull it through the next 2 loops. Grab your yarn and pull it through the last 2 loops. And now you have 4 double crochets. Now continue the same exact pattern for as many stitches as you need for a project. And you'll have an entire foundation row without a chain. Thanks for watching.